mono microphone, stereo input. If you're lazy like me and you're cheap and you don't want a huge interface, you need a cable that they don't make, XLR to mini. This is a stereo mini, obviously. So the only thing you have to do, if you jump across those two, then the audio signal will hit both of these rings. So just take a little jumper and solder it across there. It'll be, they call it an unbalanced XLR, but it'll work and it'll sound a hell of a lot better than your onboard microphone on your camera. I got my little jumper in there. Let's see if I can get some solder on this without shaking too much. Come on. Get on there. Is that sticking? She's ugly, but she's stuck. Slide the shield back on there. Slip that guy forward. Get your metal shield over it. That's a new cable. Let's do a little sound check with the new cable. That's with the cable plugged in and the Sennheiser mic, and I'm about to unplug it. Here we go. And that is without the mic. Cable is unplugged right now, exponentially worse. Let me plug her back in for you. And we just saved $500 and don't have to have a big clunky audio interface on top of our rig.